This is Alex from Accessories International, and today we're taking a closer look at an essential upgrade for your G-Class. This is the BRABUS 700 Side Logo Badge. Now this is the perfect finishing touch for a G63, G500, or G350, which is instantly going to give your ride that unmistakable BRABUS identity. Now this genuine BRABUS component is designed to replace the AMG insert on the original side moldings with this bold high performance look. Now it's crafted from a durable plastic with a sleek black and red finish, or it can be also chosen in the standard colors. Whatever you want to do, we can actually get those different colors for your ride to give you that aggressive style. Installation is quick and easy. Just remove the existing insert and apply that BRABUS badge with the high strength adhesive backing. There's no drilling, there's no modifications, it's just a perfect OEM quality fit to your G-Class. Now if you're looking to upgrade your G-Class with authentic BRABUS components, check the link in the description below. We only carry 100% genuine BRABUS parts here at Accessories International to ensure that your build is going to stay true to the brand's legendary craftsmanship. Thanks for tuning in today. Stay tuned for more BRABUS content coming soon. If you have any questions for us, call us at 786-242-5400. We've been working with automotive parts and components at Accessories International for over 25 years. Thanks again for tuning in. We'll see you in the next one.